Ever wondered how to service your car's transmission yourself? Well, we're here to guide you through the process. Regular transmission service is crucial to the efficient running of your vehicle. By doing it yourself, not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a deeper understanding of how your vehicle operates. This hands-on experience can be a rewarding venture, giving you the confidence to tackle other car maintenance tasks. So grab your gloves and let's dive into the world of DIY transmission service. Before you get your hands dirty, ensure you have the right tools for the task. First up, you'll need a new transmission filter. This little component is crucial for keeping your fluid clean. Next, you'll need fresh transmission fluid. Also, don't forget your wrench for those pesky bolts and a drain pan to catch the old fluid. Safety equipment like gloves and goggles are essential to protect yourself. Lastly, a torque wrench will ensure everything is tightened properly. With all these tools ready, you're set to begin the task. First things first, let's get rid of that old transmission fluid. Draining the old fluid is a crucial step in maintaining the health of your car's transmission. Now, to begin, you'll need to locate the transmission pan, which is typically situated beneath the car. Once you've found it, you'll need to loosen the bolts. Now don't get hasty and remove all the bolts at once. Start by loosening the bolts on one side, then slowly move around the pan, gradually loosening each bolt. This way you're allowing the fluid to seep out gently without causing a mess. Now while you're doing this, make sure you have a drain pan ready to catch the fluid. Position it directly beneath the transmission pan. As you continue to loosen the bolts, the fluid will begin to drain out into the pan. Once the fluid has drained completely, you can go ahead and remove the transmission pan. Remember to dispose of the old fluid responsibly. Now let's move on to the next step. With the old fluid out of the way, it's time to replace the old transmission filter. Removing the filter is a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention. Start by removing the remaining bolts from the transmission pan. Use your socket wrench and work methodically, so you don't lose any of the bolts. Once the pan is free, you'll see the old filter. It's held in place by a few bolts that you'll need to remove. Again, be sure to keep track of these bolts. You'll need them to secure the new filter. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean the transmission pan. A clean working area is essential for a successful filter replacement. Use a rag or cloth to wipe down the pan, removing any old fluid or debris. Finally, secure the new filter in place using the bolts you removed earlier. Make sure it's firmly attached. A loose filter can cause transmission problems down the road. With the new filter securely in place, you're halfway through the process. Now for the final step, adding the new transmission fluid. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to get it right. Start by slowly pouring the new fluid into the transmission through the dipstick tube. Take your time, and remember, it's better to underfill than overfill. Once you've added the fluid, check the level using your vehicle's dipstick. If the fluid level is below the full mark, add more. Repeat this process until you reach the correct level. And there you have it, you've successfully serviced your car's transmission. Congratulations on completing your DIY transmission service. We've journeyed together through gathering the necessary equipment, draining the old transmission fluid, changing the filter, and finally, adding fresh fluid. Each step is crucial to ensure your car's transmission runs optimally. Regular transmission service extends your vehicle's lifespan, improves fuel efficiency, and provides smoother gear shifts. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly for longer. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide empowers you to take care of your vehicle.